Hi, good morning.
Today we are starting a new chapter, more on ICT, chapter 8. What is meant by this ICT? ICT stands for Information and Communication Technology. Let us learn about the use of ICT in schools, homes and environment. Earlier in schools, everything was paper-based. Blackboard, chalk and textbook have been widely used for teaching and learning. But with the use of computers and electronic equipments, schools have become one of the major users of ICT. Let us learn some of the uses of ICT in schools. Okay. First of all, whiteboard in the classroom. The interactive whiteboard have been replacing the traditional blackboard in the classrooms in the past few years. It's a large display connected to a computer. Using an interactive whiteboard, the teacher use videos, presentations, interactive exercises and online content to explain difficult concepts. When you come to our school, you can see the same display board in our classrooms also. Now the second, that is projector in the classroom. You know the use of projectors in the classroom because last year we have seen that a projector is a device that takes input from the computer and displays it onto a wall, projector screen or a whiteboard. A projector enables students to see the images, videos, diagrams and other learning material on a large screen. Have you heard about audiovisual room? We can call it as ICT room. ICT room is a place where computers are arranged together into one classroom. All the computers are connected together through a network. Each computer has several useful application software installed in it. So the students can take active part in the lesson being taught. It is just like our computer lab. The fourth topic, that is virtual learning environment. VLE, virtual learning environment. It is an educational platform that provides learning material to students through the internet. That means now you are getting online live classes in the evening. That we can consider as VLE, virtual learning environment. A VLE contains many tools that help students to learn their subject anytime and anywhere at their own pace. The teacher can upload the lesson material and students can access the VLE from home by logging into the computer system with an internet connection. This allows them to learn or submit their home assignments online from home. This video is an example for this virtual learning environment. Whenever you get time, at that time you can use or you can see this video. So this is an example for VLE. And also the informative and formal evaluations conducted from our school in these COVID days also can be considered as an example for VLE. After writing the exam, you are uploading your answer sheets to the classroom. So it is just like this virtual learning environment. So I think you have understood the importance of ICT in schools. So ICT means Information and Communication Technology. In schools, we are using ICT in different forms. First one is interactive whiteboard, and that helps the students to learn more effectively from the whiteboard because that is connected with a computer and it may contain interactive sessions. Then the projector in the classroom which is familiar for you because we have already used it in our classrooms, and by using that projector we can watch videos supporting the topic, and it is an effective method for learning. Next is the ICT room, that is also known as audiovisual room. In that room we can see a number of computers that are interconnected, so that students can access their application from the computer. Fourth one, virtual learning environment. It is just like our online classes, and it provides a online platform for the students to learn their topic. This can be done by the help of uploading videos and evaluation sheets in the internet. More applications of ICT we can see in the next class. Thank you.